Hi, my name's John Fazio, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about foreclosure litigation. Now, if you have recently been served with a foreclosure complaint, you may be a little bit confused about what it is that you're doing when you answer the complaint. I mean, what is it that you're actually contesting? There's two different issues that come up. One is the bank's right to foreclose. In general, if you have a mortgage secured by your property and you're behind on your payments, then the bank does have the right to seek redress against a foreclosure of your home, and to recover the collateral in order to pay off the debt. But the circumstances under which they can actually exercise that right are limited by various statutes, laws, and precedent. So in most cases, you're not actually telling the court that the bank doesn't have the right to foreclose, but rather you're saying that they've gone about it in a manner that has deprived you of your rights. So what you want to do if you are in a foreclosure situation is stand up for all of your rights. You want to make sure that you're getting a fair shake and you're getting the treatment that is required under the law. That treatment involves giving you loss mitigation alternatives before resorting to foreclosure. In other words, the remedy of foreclosure is an extreme remedy that the banks may resort to, but only after they've tried everything else. They can't simply go to that as a first option in order to get repaid. They have to exhaust other possibilities and give you the option to file a loss mitigation application, to look at repayment plans, etc. If you feel that the bank has run roughshod over your rights because they either didn't review you properly for a modification, or the statements that you were receiving did not have the correct balances and were not reflecting the proper interest and fees, including things like force-placed insurance and escrow balances, then you might have a case that either the foreclosure was instituted improperly when there should have been other relief provided, and there could be a remedy for that. Or it might be the case that the bank has gone forward with foreclosure and there are amounts that they claim to be due that you're entitled to a credit for, and which would then, through negotiations, help you to get to a better final number for a loan modification, refinance, short pay, etc. If you are concerned about your foreclosure case and how you can fight back against the bank in order to make sure that you get what's fair and just, you're not asking for a windfall, you're not asking for a free house, you're just looking to get reasonable, fair treatment from the bank, that's something that we can help you to work on by contesting the foreclosure and bringing these issues to light. So I'd encourage you, if you're in this situation, to give us a call at 201-529-8024, fill out one of our web forms, email me personally, and we'll be happy to go over every single one of your options to make sure that you're getting the treatment that you deserve and that you're getting every opportunity that you're entitled to as a matter of law in order to try to save your house, and that the bank is actually treating you fairly and is going through this process in good faith. A lot of times the banks realize that if you don't have an attorney, or if you're representing yourself, or if you haven't put every single document they expect to see before them, they think that they have the advantage and they have carte blanche to do what they want, and they will. They will exercise their rights, and they will exercise them aggressively. You need to be just as aggressive in defending your rights and making sure that you get fair treatment. Give us a call if you need any help at all, and if you have any questions that we can answer. Thank you.